Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day. Today I have a Dollar General haul to share with you guys. It's just a few things, but I went in there to get a slip and slide and came out with more, of course. And yeah, so thought I would share it. So the slip and slide is $8. They also had a $25 one, and it's mainly just Connor here and Aiden twice a week during the summertime, and this is perfect for them. I went to a birthday party recently, and the person hosting the party had one of these exact ones, and there was like 8 kids using it. They all loved it, and so I just grabbed this one right here and got some dollar water balloons. We all know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, or even my mommy vlogs, that Connor absolutely loves water balloons. So you get 80 in here for $1. You get a filler too. I like never use the filler. I just get one of the big fillers at Walmart, and well, we still have that one, so just needed the balloons. And I picked the boys up some of these Slush Puppy slush bars, and you get cherry, cola, watermelon, and blue raspberry. There's 10 in there for $1. And then my nanny actually picked me up these, and I just thought because it's Dollar General haul that I would share them too. But she had went and got some stuff, and she said, I found something I thought you're gonna love, and I do. And it's got all these colorful dogs on this on the print here, and this is a pot holder, and these were $1 each. But how adorable! And you probably can hear that rain. It's just storming here. And $1 dish towel, and it also has that dog print on it. And how adorable! I have 2 dogs. I have a Chihuahua, and then I also have a mixed dog that the neighbor gave me. Oh my goodness, they were gonna leave the dogs when they moved, by the way, and I had to have that little puppy. He is about 8 years old now, and he's a mixed breed of something. I'm not sure, but he's the cutest. So I'll insert a picture of my dogs here. Aren't they cute? Oscar and Cujo. Can you guess which one's named Cujo? Yeah, the Chihuahua. And just browsing around, and they had some super duper cute watermelon dishes, and I only got 1 cup. Connor loves watermelon. It is his favorite fruit, and oh, I just noticed a blemish in the cup. Well, anyways, loves watermelon. So I just got one of these dollar cup. Well, this was $1.50 tumbler, 19 ounces. So I picked that up, and I thought he could eat his watermelon in this bowl. It was $1. How adorable. They're just plastic, not microwave safe or anything like that, but just eat fruit in. Thought he would really love that. And then the cute watermelon plate, also eat watermelon on it, eat snacks, whatever. And that was $1 as well. This stuff's adorable. It's so adorable. They also had so many other little watermelon dishes as well. And I went in the makeup aisle, of course, and I picked up one of these LA Colors Color Craze Gel Extreme Shine Gel Like Polish. These are $2. What a long name on these polishes up front here. I got it in Galactic, and it's like a metallic blue purple. I don't know, it was just screaming my name that day. So grab this. New beauty items to share with you from the Dollar General. My Dollar General finally got in the Believe beauty displays, so I decided that would definitely be trying some of the products out. I did watch some videos and reviews before choosing the products that I picked out, and of course left a lot behind because I don't really want to try everything, and plus I watched the reviews. The first thing though I do want to try, and Sabrina really liked the sponge and I like her videos, so I definitely wanted to try this Believe Beauty sponge. And nothing is over $5 in this line. Next up, I picked up a Believe Beauty metallic liquid eyeliner, and it's called Midnight in Paris, and it's just purple eyeliner. Grabbed this mascara. They have, I think, four or five mascaras to choose from, and I got the High Drama Fiber mascara in intense black, and it says it has tiny fibers, coat lashes to create lush, full, dramatic look, and you get the false lash effect. So I think they have like black brown mascaras, black mascaras, and intense black mascaras in most of the mascaras they carry. Then in the lipstick, I picked up one of those, and this is the lipstick in Soft Rose, and these are, it says Satin Crush Lipstick Soft Rose. This is the lightest nude kind of shade they have in the line. Very pretty shade, and I've already tested this out, and it's very nice and creamy. It's pigmented. So I definitely wanted to try a blush and highlighter for sure. So instead of buying the individuals, I got the $5 trio, and this is the light medium one. They have a medium dark one as well. And you just get a bronzer in here, or slash contour shade, a nice coral blush, and a golden peachy highlight. And I've already dipped into this as well, and it's very nice as well. So we'll probably do a more in-depth video review on these products, as well as swatches if you want to see that. And last and final item I picked up is the eyeshadow palette in Plush Purples. They have 4 eyeshadow palettes to choose from, and I just really like this one. I didn't want browns or the blues, or the disco one is pretty too, but it more was like fall-like, and I thought I could get more looks out of the Plush Purples. That shade is stunning. So is this one here. So you get a couple mattes, a few shimmers, and yes, so that's what that palette looks like. These are so pretty. I've kind of already swatched them, and they are nice and creamy and pigmented, I mean, for the most part. And I am excited to finally use this on the eyes. So that's everything that I picked up from Believe Beauty so far. So stay tuned for tutorials and reviews and swatches on these products. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links. Thank you always for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.